In the middle of all the reaction pouring in after the heartbreaking terror attack in Pahalgam, another voice has stood out. Actor Ishan Khattar, he has shared an emotional message on social media, and it's clear that this tragedy has deeply affected him. What makes Ishan's message more personal is the fact that he had just been in Pahalgam barely a few weeks ago. He was there shooting for his upcoming film Pyar Aata Hai with Tara Sutaria and had spent nearly 2 months in that peaceful town. From what he shared, he was welcomed warmly by the locals and experienced only love and hospitality during his stay. But now, after hearing about the terror attack that killed brave soldiers, Ishan is heartbroken. In his Instagram story, he wrote, "A little over a month ago, I was in Pahalgam. Surrounded by kindness and hospitality, I walked past soldiers with fully loaded rifles on a bridge and exchanged salams with them. And today I read that brave soldiers and innocents have lost their lives in a terrorist attack in that very place. I'm heartbroken." These aren't just words, they show how deeply affected he is. From being there recently to hearing about a brutal attack in the same place, the contrast hit him hard. He went on to speak about the pain and suffering he is seeing around the world. Ishan wrote, "I am tired of seeing and hearing about people suffering. I am sickened by people who stoke blind hatred and make the world a worse place for all of us." His words are a reminder that it's not just physical violence that hurts people, but also the hate that spreads like wildfire online and offline. And he didn't stop there. He strongly condemned the idea of using religion or belief to justify violence. He said, "No God, no ideology, no belief system condemns the murder of the innocent. Don't do this in the name of faith, community, or belonging. You betray every single one of us when you do." That's bold and honest take. He's saying that taking innocent lives should never be defended, no matter what cause someone claims to stand for. Finally, he made a powerful appeal not just to Kashmiris but to all Indians. Ishan urged everyone to stay united and not let hate take over. His words were simple but meaningful. "I hope and pray you find peace, healing, and truth." It's heartbreaking. While many celebrities have reacted in different ways, like Arijit Singh cancelling his concert, Amir Khan skipping a special screening, and others posting their condolences, Ishan's message feels personal, emotional, and sincere. He was just there walking, smiling, meeting people, and now he sees the same place suffering. His appeal for unity and peace is something we all need to think about seriously. Now, what do you think? Will messages like Ishan Khattar's truly help us stay united? Should more celebrities use their voice like this to stand against hatred and violence? Well, seriously, Ishan Khattar has taken a very mature take. So share your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.